You don't need surgery for this 5 ways how to remove bunions and heal swollen joints. A bunion is a bony bump that forms on the joint at the base of your big toe. A bunion forms when your big toe pushes against your next toe, forcing the joint of your big toe to get bigger and stick out. The skin over the bunion might be red and sore. Wearing tight, narrow shoes might cause bunions or might make them worse. Bunions could also develop as a result of an inherited structural defect, stress on your foot, or a medical condition, such as arthritis. Smaller bunions also can develop on the joint of your little toes. Bunions are a real nightmare. It's very difficult to find the appropriate shoes, they cause a lot of pain and they don't look good. Their surgery is just a temporary solution. However, traditional medicine can help you get rid of this problem. For treating bunion, first you should cleanse your body from salt. You can do that with these 5 homemade remedies. 1. Homemade bay leaf syrup. At evening time, you should pour 300 milliliters of water in a pot and add 1 tablespoon of crushed bay leaves and cook it on medium heat for 5 minutes. When it's done, pour the liquid in an enamel pot and leave it until the morning. The next morning, you need to strain the liquid and drink small sips throughout the entire day. Do not drink the entire remedy at once. You should do this method 3 days in a row and make fresh homemade bay leaf drink every evening. Repeat this treatment after you take 1 week break. Don't be surprised if you experience a more frequent need to urinate. This is a sign which indicates that the salt in your body started to dissolve, so somehow it's irritating the bladder. You will feel the results in just 10 days. You will feel relief in your entire body, and the joint pain will be gone. 2. Homemade bay leaf solution. You need to use this method for almost 2 months, and after that the bunions on your feet will be completely gone. You should take 5 big bay leaves, chop them into small pieces, put them in a bowl and pour 100 milliliters of pure alcohol over them 70%. Leave it like that for 1 week, and strain it after that. First of all, you need to soak your feet in a combination of warm water and baking soda. 3 liters of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. After you soak them, make sure you wipe them good and rub the bay leaf solution on your bunion. Put on some cotton socks and lie down. 3. Iodine and aspirin solution. This iodine and aspirin mixture is also very efficient homemade remedy for painful bunions and for painful joints as well. Crush 5 aspirins or androls 200 mg and add 10 ml iodine. Stir well until the aspirin is dissolved well in the iodine and becomes colorless. Apply this iodine aspirin mixture on your painful areas, such as your joints or ankles, every night. After that you need to make sure you warm your legs for the night. You will feel the positive side effects very quickly. 4. Soap massage and iodine. Regular soap massages can also help you relieve pain and inflammations from bunions. Grate some soap, apply it on the painful areas and massage it gently. Then, wash it and dry that area. Then, using iodine, you need to draw a web over the bunion. Take a small stick and soak it in the povidone iodine and draw horizontal and vertical lines over the bunion. The skin absorbs the iodine this way. Leave the iodine until it's dry and then you can put your socks on. This therapy lasts for 30 days. 5. Lemon juice and iodine method. Another good option to treat painful joints and bunions is this lemon juice iodine treatment. All you have to do is mix lemon juice and iodine same amounts and apply that mixture on bunions or your joints. This mixture is also very helpful for treating heel spur as well.